With Mac OS 8, you aren't limited to simply being a client on the net. Mac OS 8 includes Apple's personal web sharing, which allows you to share information with others cross-platform using TCP/IP networking protocols. Anyone with an internet web browser can now view and access the contents of your shared folder, no matter which operating system they use. You can save your information in common file formats recognized by web browsers, such as HTML, JPEG, and so on. Drop them into your Shared Web Pages folder and turn on Personal Web Sharing. You simply point Personal Web Sharing at the folder with the information to be shared, then select the default home page. Your computer is now a web server, sharing text, graphics, and multimedia documents with anyone using a web browser on any platform within your intranet or internet community. Mac OS 8 also provides pervasive access to the Internet from within any application with its new Connect To command in the Apple menu. Just type in the URL and your preferred browser launches and takes you to the site you specify. In this case, we'll type in the web address of this local computer. Here is the web page the computer is now serving to an intranet, and of course it behaves like any other website. However, personal web sharing goes beyond basic web page services. It also incorporates Personal Net Finder, which allows you to share documents with others simply by dropping them into a folder on your computer. Personal Net Finder creates a Finder-like graphical listing of your shared documents that can be viewed with web browsers running on any platform. You can select any folder on your hard disk, regardless of whether it contains web-formatted information. Instead of selecting a default home page, you select None. Web sharing enables the Net Finder feature. Using any standard web browser, friends or colleagues on any platform can see the files and folders you've shared using Personal Web Sharing in Mac OS 8. Folders show up as folder icons. And your colleague can copy the files simply by clicking on the link in the browser window. If your colleague clicks on a folder, Personal Net Finder navigates to that folder, displaying its contents. With Personal Web Sharing, Mac OS 8 users can now share information cross-platform over Internet standard protocols.